Hello friends, my name is Palash Chandra Das. I have done MPharm in pharmaceutical medicinal chemistry. Today our topic of discussion is concept of thermal lethality, part of steam sterilization process. Friends, we understand when we talking about the sterilization process, majorly we talk about thermal lethality, biological inactivations and SAL calculations. This presentations specifically for thermal lethality calculations. I will have subsequent videos for the calculation of SAL and to understand of biological lethality as well. Let's move for the next slide. Before going towards the main presentation, I would like to request you all to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my all upcoming videos. Thank you. First of all, we'll understand the thermal lethality. The lethalrates are dimensionless and thus have no unit of measurement. They are a function only of the difference between the actual temperature and the referent temperature, and based on the Z coefficient we calculate the lethality. Friends, we can see the formula, how it is being calculated. The lethal rate is exponential function. The small temperature variations can have significant effect on the delivered lethality. For example, we consider the Dej value is 10 degree and 1 degree decrease in the temperature can be reduce your lethality up to 20%. How? Let's see the calculations. So I consider here the reference temperature is 121.1 degree and the actual temperature is 121 and Z value is 10. Here my lethality is 1. If we reduce 1 degree from 121 to 120, so we can see as per the calculation the lethality is around zero point 0.8. So here the approximately 20% lethality is getting decreases once we change the temperature here, right? Let's move next. We'll understand what is F0. F0 or we tell F physical sometime based on the temperature we consider as a reference. F0 is specifically when we consider the reference temperature 121.1 degree. So F physical is a terminology which used to describe the delivered lethality calculation based on the physical parameter, right? That is heat. The physical value is integrated. So, I'm sorry. The physical value is integration of lethality rate L over a time. The lethal rate is calculated for a reference temperature T reference, which can be 121 when we talk about F0, and Z value using a equation what I have shown in the earlier slide. So this is the equations to calculate the F physical. Again, so I will clarify between the F physical and F0. F0 value of a saturated steam sterilization process is the lethality expressed in the terms of the equivalent time in minute at a temperature of 121 degree delivered by the process to the load in its container with the reference microbiological processing. A theoretical Z value is 10. So F0, this is the formula of F0. This is the delta T and 10 to the power T minus T reference, and here the Z value is considered as 10. So we'll understand the Z value. The Z value is the change in temperature required to alter the D value by factor of 10, right? So we can see from here, this is 10 to the power 1 to 10 to the power 0 means we are getting 1 log reductions. If you see the temperature is that the Z is 10 degree means by increasing the tenfold z coefficient, we are getting the d value of 1 minute. So it's a factor which required to change the d value by the factor of 10. So let's understand the d value, because in z value calculations I talk about d value. Let's understand the d value. So the value of a parameter of sterilizations required to reduce the number of viable organism to the 10% of the original number. It is only of significance under a precisely defined experimental conditions. So here from the graph it has been clarified that if you have a spore of 10 to the power t, and just see by changing d value how the sterilization time is getting differ, right? So from 10 to the power 2 to 10 to the power minus 6, almost 8 log reduction we are getting in 4 minutes. Considering the d value is 0.5, it's 8 minutes. Considering the d value is 1, means every 1 minute we are expecting a 1 log reductions or 10% reduction of initial populations. And if it is a 2, so here the organism is more robust, high resistivity than 0.5. So here we are getting 16 minutes. So hopefully you able to understand the significance of d value. More resistance, uh, biological organism need more sterilization time. So here couple of example I have provided to understand the F0 calculations, where I presented all the details about delta T, T and Z. So assume if we are considering the 15 minute of sterilization hold time, and uh, and our set temperature is 121 degree, then after 15 minute of sterilization hold time, the F0 will be 15 minute. So let's assume if this 121 degree will be 115 degree. So then the F0 will be 3.76 after 15 minutes. So it's getting reduced because the temperature is low. Again, if we select a higher temperature like 124, then the F0 will be 29.9 in 15 minutes of exposure. So how you able to understand that how F0 is getting changed, and how it is correlated with the selected temperature. Thank you, friends. It's all about the F0 calculation. So I will come back again with the biological lethality and the SL calculations in my next video.